Hey my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing? If you are new here, this is your girl RosesGlam. So on today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, okay? If this is what you want to watch, stay put, don't go away. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Please kindly ignore any noise you're hearing at the background. I just chased them out of the kitchen so that I will be able to do this. They are disturbing me. So let's just quickly do it before they pop in again. All right, so here are the things I'm unboxing. They brought it this morning and I want to go to shopping. I say, why not do it before I go to shopping? Because if I go for shopping, I might come back and end up not doing them. So let's quickly unbox them and see what is inside. Okay, then I will explain. All right.
Didn't know what to say. I was taking a drink one break. Never thought I'd see you.
So both of them are the same thing, but I'll quickly open this, and when I bring it out, I'm going to fix one first.
Explain myself. Now I'm believing.
So apparently this is the manual or level instruction on how you go ahead to fix it. So both of them are the same thing.
And no way out. Wish that I knew what to say now. You're getting too close. Well, I know we are about to pass. Don't you worry, cause we still got a chance. Baby, don't lose your faith.
Hey guys, just for you to know, at first you kind of, it's not difficult though, but you kind of try to figure out how you go about it. In this case, I was trying to figure it out at the where you saw that they're marked, those are in the front. So I try as much as possible not to make mistake, and as you can see, it kept falling off, so I had to call Jason to come and help me to hold it before I can go ahead to fix it. But funny enough, it wasn't difficult. I don't really need him just to fix it one after the other, but after fixing this first one, it became so easy. So let's see how we complete it. So what you saw me doing here is trying to figure out which bolt and nut goes to where they're supposed to go. So in order not to make mistake again, I need to be very careful because I don't want to repeat the same process over and over. So this is me trying to make sure that I pick the correct nut and screws to match where it's supposed to go. If you're enjoying this video and you like the process and you like the unboxing, please kindly give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed, consider hitting on that subscription button right down there. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. So let's just see how this goes. So guys, I had to loosen up the thing I fixed before, the upper side, because it's not supposed to be too tight. So I had to release the knot a bit in order to fix the dam part. That is what you see me doing.
Didn't know what to say, I was taking the train one way. Never thought I'd see you again. Never thought I'd see you again. Coming up short, I didn't have a choice but to let it go. You never let me explain myself. Explain myself. Now I'm leaving behind all the things I had in my mind. I'm changing my ways, I'm floating away. I wish that I knew what to say now. You're getting too close, too close.
So I will go ahead to tighten the knot after fixing the leg rest. After then, I will go ahead to place the seat on it.
Well, I know we are about to clash, but don't you worry, cause we still got a chance. Baby, don't lose your faith. Don't lose your faith. And everything that I said, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head. Now I'm leaving behind all the things I had in my mind. I'm changing my ways, I'm floating away. I'm floating away. Don't you know what you say now? You're getting too close.
So guys, I'm at the final stage of finishing up the fixing of the chairs. So you have to make sure that the screws are very tight, well secured, so that the chair don't need to move, because when it starts shifting, that is when it will start having problem. Hi guys, I'm done fixing the chair. I'm going to show you guys how they are. Not really difficult. Initially I was struggling, but to be quite honest, it's not difficult to fix at all. This time around, everything was labeled, okay, from the screw, whatever. It's not difficult at all to fix. So what I did, like you saw me, after fixing the one, I just go offline to do the rest. So this is, here they are. The one I have before is this one. Unfortunately, this did not last at all, and that is why I did not buy the one you can adjust this time around. You can adjust this one, but all of a sudden 3 of them got broken, so I'm going to get rid of this one. I replace it with this one. You cannot adjust this one, which I feel that, yeah, will stay longer. It's not, like this. It will stay longer than this one. I don't know why, but this one, and I can see that they are getting rusted and all that, which I feel that is not a good material they use in fixing them. Anyway, yeah, we are over this one, and these are the new ones, and I like them. I love them. Okay, so actually it was supposed to be 3 of them here, but yeah, you need 4. Maybe breakfast, some weekends I join them. I don't want them to be eating always in the sitting room because they mess up the floor. Oh my god. So maybe when they are up for school, they can easily eat here instead of going to the living room to eat. They can eat here. And so this is it. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinion. How do you see this video? What's your thoughts? Just leave everything at the comment section. I would really love to read them. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Okay, give this video a thumb up. Okay, share it to any of your social media. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, I'm happy and I'm glad that I got this. So I will catch you guys again on our next upload. Thank you so much for watching, and you know what, see you, and don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye.